Hello, I'm Dr. Moosa from Excel Laser Vision Institute. A common question and concern is who qualifies as a candidate for Contoura LASIK. Contoura LASIK corrects people with nearsightedness and nearsightedness with astigmatism. During the process of the free LASIK consultation that we offer at Excel Laser Vision Institute, we do some special pictures for Contoura where we basically look at the details of the eye, and based on your topography analysis, we will recommend whether Contoura is a good option for you or not. So we fully recommend and encourage you to look us up, to come in for your free LASIK consultation, and we'll guide you through the process of whether you benefit enough from Contoura LASIK. We're excited to see you come visit us at our office at Excel Laser Vision Institute. We have locations in Los Angeles and Orange County. One of the great experiences you can have is our free comprehensive eye exam that's of no cost to you, but a consultation for LASIK that will establish your candidacy.